Gastrointestinal system. Defecation pathway. Defecation is the act of expelling feces from the digestive tract via the anus. This complex function requires coordination between the gastrointestinal, nervous, and musculoskeletal systems. The process begins with mass movement from the colon to the rectum, initiating the defecation reflex, which involves rectal contraction and internal and external anal sphincter relaxation. Digestion begins in the mouth with chewing and ends in the small intestine. As food passes through the GI tract, it mixes with digestive juices, where the glands in the stomach lining produce stomach acid and an enzyme that digests protein, which then moves to the pancreas, which forms part of the biliary tree. The biliary tree is a system of vessels that direct secretions from the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas through a series of ducts into the duodenum. The small intestine carries out most of the digestive process, absorbing almost all of the nutrients you get from foods into your bloodstream. The large intestine absorbs water and changes the waste from liquid into stool. Peristalsis helps move the stool into your rectum, which stores the stool until it pushes the stool out of your anus during a bowel movement. The defecation reflex. Step 1. Feces moves into the rectum, stimulating stretch receptors that are located there. Step 2. The receptors transmit a signal along the efferent nerves to the spinal cord neurons. Step 3. A spinal reflex is initiated, parasympathetic motor division, where efferent fibers stimulate contraction of the rectum. Step 4. If it's convenient to defecate. Motor neurons are inhibited, allowing the external anal sphincter to relax, which allows feces to pass through. Constipation. When we are constipated, our intestines absorb too much water from our feces, which makes it more dry and hard. This can cause the feces to move more slowly through your large intestine. Over time, the slow-moving feces can impact with more feces, causing a blockage, which can result in a large, hard mass, preventing defecation. Diarrhea. When we have diarrhea, something interferes with the absorption process. The most common causes of diarrhea are pathogens relating to viral, bacterial, or parasitic infections. These microorganisms can irritate the large intestine, causing inflammation, and prevents effective water absorption, as they produce toxins that can increase the secretion of fluids in the large intestine, contributing to more watery stools. Certain foods and medications can also cause diarrhea, such as foods high in fiber or artificial sweeteners can increase the water content of stools. Along with medications such as antibiotics can alter the intestinal flora, leading to diarrhea. Subscribe to the channel for more.